Men are complicated individuals who can be difficult to understand. While all men are different, there are some common considerations that can help you begin to see where a guy is coming from. For a long time, society has expected men not to express emotions that could be seen as weak, like sadness and vulnerability. Because of such unrealistic and harmful expectations, a lot of men have difficulty processing these emotions. They may turn them into more conventionally masculine responses like anger, even if that's not what they really feel. In difficult moments, guys may take longer to get an idea of how they're actually feeling, versus how they're traditionally expected to respond. Ultimately, to know what a man is thinking and how he's really doing, you need to ask him. But keep in mind the external pressures he may be experiencing, and give him whatever time and space he needs to work through them before he can reply truthfully. He'll talk when he's ready. On the other hand, if you're trying to tell a man how you're feeling, and he offers suggestions instead of comfort, keep in mind the same societal influences that pressure men to be completely practical may make him think that you want him to solve your problem instead of just listening. To avoid frustration, tell him up front that you're venting and just need support. While men can sometimes seem impossible to get, taking a broader perspective can give you a little insight into their behavior.